Hello everyone, welcome to CompileVerse. In today's video, we are going to start our journey with Java. This is the very first step, so in this session we will understand what Java is, why it is important, the internal architecture of Java, and most importantly, how a Java program is executed step by step. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how Java works behind the scenes. So let's begin. What is Java? Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language. It was originally developed by Sun Microsystems and is now owned by Oracle Corporation. Java was designed with one very powerful concept: write once, run anywhere. This means a Java program can run on any operating system like Windows, Linux, or Mac without changing the code. This feature is called platform independence. Why Java is popular? There are several reasons why Java is widely used. First, it is platform independent. Second, it is object-oriented, which helps in building large and scalable applications. Third, Java has strong memory management and security features. Fourth, it has a huge community and is used in many areas such as web development, enterprise applications, mobile applications, and back-end systems. Before jumping into the execution process, let us now understand the core components of Java architecture. It includes Java Development Kit, JDK, Java Runtime Environment, JRE, and Java Virtual Machine, which is commonly known as JVM. Later, we study about their hierarchy that describes the execution flow. Let's see what is JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a complete package required to develop Java programs. It contains compiler that converts Java source code, .java file, into bytecode, .class file, that is essential for Java applications. Second, libraries. These are the pre-written code packages that provide ready-to-use functionality for common programming tasks. Third, tools that are used for debugging, documentation, and packaging utilities that assist in Java development workflow. Lastly, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, is included inside JDK to run and test Java programs. Now let us understand, what is JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It provides the environment needed to run Java programs. JRE contains JVM and required libraries. So JRE is used only for running Java programs. Now let us see what is JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is the most important part of Java architecture. JVM is responsible for executing Java bytecode and converting it into machine-understandable instructions. It acts as a bridge between Java programs and the operating system. Because of JVM, Java becomes platform independent. Here is the Java execution flow. Feel free to pause the video and understand it carefully. You may be asked a question by the interviewer from this concept, so please pay attention to it. So today we learned what Java is, why Java is popular, JDK, JRE, and JVM, and how Java programs are executed step by step. In the next video, we will understand the internal architecture of Java Virtual Machine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to CompileVerse. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.